This 2025 East to West Della Terra 251 RD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in LaGrange, Georgia, 30241 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.